Hi, this is Mini Divan and you're watching Health Side. Welcome to our channel, and for more health and fitness related videos, don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. Today we are going to talk about COVID-19 booster shots. What is it, what are its benefits, why you should take them, and so much more. We all keep hearing about the new variants of coronavirus, and everyone, including you and me, has questioned the effectiveness of the vaccines on these variants. Amidst the possibility of a third wave, the research suggests that the available COVID-19 shots are less effective on the new variant, hence the growing discussion about taking a booster shot. Now, what exactly is a booster shot? Booster shot refers to the additional shots that are provided to fully vaccinated people after a fixed interval for extra protection. It's basically similar to the previous dose. Now, why is it important to get the booster shot? It's basically similar to the previous dose. As we all know, the effect and immunity of the vaccine wears out after some time. Hence, it is very important to get the booster shot to reduce the risk of the virus. Taking booster shots from time to time will help the body to determine the virus more effectively. Booster dose reintroduces the antigen in the body, which helps the immune system maintain a protective response. Another reason is the adaptation of the virus. As the virus keeps adapting, the booster shot works better on the new strains. It will provide an added protection to the fully vaccinated, as COVID-19 Delta variant is spreading through across the country. While Israel has already started to offer booster shots to at-risk adults, and even the United States is in talks with Pfizer for introducing it in the country. But in India, the Ministry of Home Affairs said that there has not been enough data generated locally to decide on the need of a booster shot yet. The World Health Organization too has recommended to avoid the need to get a booster shot for now in India. WHO has suggested a 2-month halt, and the need for booster doses will be determined by the pace of COVID infection in the country, along with the durability of protection provided by the current dosage of vaccines. Well, that's all for now, but we'll keep on updating you with all COVID-19 vaccine updates. For that, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.